Hey everyone, it is Mel here, and today I am going to try to put together this gingerbread house kit that I bought last month. I wanted to try to get it done before Christmas, but unfortunately that didn't happen, so I will do it now. But technically, it is still the Christmas season, because technically the 12 days of Christmas goes until January 6th. So there we go. So I'm going to make this. I thought it was so adorable. It has a little snowman and little gingerbread characters, and it's got like a wreath and presents and stuff, and it just looks so adorable. That's kind of how it looks on the back, trying to get a good image, because there we go, we can kind of see it there. I just got a new ring light, so I'm learning the basics of that too, because I will show you this in 1 second. This is with the ring light on, and then if I shut it off, this without the ring light. So still bright enough right now, things are darker, so I guess right now we can show you a little bit better on what the package looks like without the ring light, but we'll also turn the ring light back on because that can be helpful for certain things too. So basically, with that said, let's get started. Oh my gosh, aren't these just so cute? So cute! Got lots of cookie icing. Other candy accessories are glittery sugar in white and pink. Some little glittery candies. And some pink balls. So step one is to knead the icing for a couple of minutes. So we start with the house pieces. Snip a little bit off. It has been a few years since I have attempted a gingerbread house. So. I definitely give props to people who decorate so much more. Alright, so there are my front and back pieces, but I now have to figure out where I'm going to set them. I guess right here is as good as any place. May have cut the tube of the icing a little bit too thick, but oh well. It's very, very snowy. And then to decorate the roof pieces, Gingerbread Man, look how adorable he is. Like, so cute, so adorable. And the snowman, like, I think I want these. I think I want to make the Gingerbread Man and the Sculpey and like, I want to make them in Sculpey so I can always have them, you know, because they're just so adorable. I mean, I'd have to make the Gingerbread Man thicker. And I do have some mini Gingerbread Man cookies for my dolls, so I guess I don't really need to add another one. I don't know. We'll decide later. I mean, this would be cute to like make all of these in Sculpey as like a little, you know, decoration thing. Because this is the tree. I'm trying to... It's been about 15 minutes and now I'm going to attempt to put this all together. If you're also noticing a difference in the lighting, I changed the mode on my ring lights. Again, I'm still trying to get used to it all and everything. So anyway, let's get to it. Also, I did add a little bit more of the small little pink candies, and I changed the doorknob to be on the other side. And added a little bit more to the door. But first things first, though, I believe I am going to dump out the excess sugar on this plate. So we will do that first. So now it is time to attempt to put this together. So arranging the back piece along with the side pieces, and of course using the icing to glue them together. I think I did that one wrong. I was supposed to do it on this part. We'll get there. We will get there. They do not make it easy. So, this part that I need the icing. So let's get you back. And you back. No. These are supposed to go on here. And then it says to wait another 15 minutes. And then we can put the top on the roof. Alright, we have our, it's been about 15 minutes, so we get to attach the roof. So I feel like my one side came out a little bit too low, so I have to heighten that one. Keep sliding, it keeps sliding, it keeps sliding. And this is my gingerbread house. It might not look the best, but I am very happy with it. I think it is adorable.